Radiant Court, building your wall. Woo!
Hello world, welcome to Radiant Court K2 Ekpe. I have with me the CEO of Mayowa Owolabi company. Can we meet you, sir?
Great. Thank you so much. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, and I'm excited to be here today at Radiant Court opening. Really pumped up about what WorldGate is doing already, and I'm really excited about this vision.
Wow, that's great. Yes, we would like to know the reason why you started this platform.
Great.
Can you share with us the motive?
Great. So for me, WorldGate is really a baby in my heart that cries for expression. I've seen a lot of people make money and they are struggling with building their worth. So the challenge is that there's a battle between people making money and what people are worth. So you see people talk about how much they are making, but they don't talk about how much they are worth. And the rule of life is that what you are worth is what will take care of you. So you see, you make yourself some millions of naira today, some years after, there's really no money to really take care of you, and you cannot keep working every time. And that is why WorldGate community is being launched to build your worth. And our first property is the Radiant Court, which we are here today, so that everyone can begin to invest in real estate and they can begin to take a portion of the herd. Now, this is the time to invest. You don't want to wait again, because in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, next 20 years, this will become so big and you'll be like, why didn't I get this when it was being sold? And I'm excited about this project.
Wow, that's great. Yes, coming to K2 Ekpe this afternoon, we saw a lot of real estate companies, a lot of them. So can you tell us what sets Radiant Court apart from this real estate?
Now, one of the beauty that Radiant Court is doing is the innovation. One of the estate style we are bringing on decks is unique. And one of the beauty about this is also about the security of this estate. You see, a lot of people have challenges with investing in real estate. They don't trust the land, they don't, but we have done all the search, we have done all of this. Like I do tell people, we are not just buying land because we want to go into real estate. Our goal is to really move to where governments are going ahead before they are done or before they finish the project. We are already there. And right here, closer to us here, is the Grace Polytechnic. We also have the film village that has been announced already, and we have the airport that has been announced already, about less than 30 minutes to the airport. And that is what we are talking about. So you don't want to stay away from this kind of environment, because what makes real estate to grow is not just you being a partaker, it's also you having positioned yourself at the right location. And I can tell you that new Lagos is new Ekpe. You want to be here right now. Make sure you reach out, get started, buy 1 acre, buy 2 plot, buy 5 plot as you can, because in the next few years the rest is history. So let's make money together and let's build what?
Wow, that's massive. See, that is massive once again. Yes, we've heard a lot about land banking.
Yeah.
Sir, can you share us insight into land banking?
You see, land banking is very important. I am somebody that study a lot of patterns, and one of the things that encouraged me into land banking is a pattern that the man called Bill Gates has implemented. For me, I love the fact that as wealthy as he is the largest farm owner in the United States. Currently, Bill Gates has over 278,000 acres of land in the United States. So I'm asking myself, why will this man, as rich, as wealthy as he is, having the large farm? Is because he's positioning himself for the next 10 years, positioning himself for the next 20 years, so that when innovation comes to those areas, he is already there before they get there. See, when it comes to land banking is an amazing business model that can allow everyone to become wealthy, and you can buy as low as you can can right now. Some of you say, oh, Mr. Mayowa, I don't have 5 million. What can I do? You can buy the 300 square meter. If you cannot afford the 300 square meter, you can buy the 150 square meter. Just get started. Have a piece of this earth, because the number of people will keep increasing, but the land remains constant. So land banking for me makes a lot of sense. My mom bought a particular plot of land for 75,000 naira. 10 years after, she sold it for about 5 million. Can you imagine how many 75,000 is in 5 million? I have a friend who said about 12 years ago he bought a pair here for 200,000 naira. Now 200,000 naira about 8 to 10 years ago. Imagine how much it is right now, and he has not even sold. He bought 2 acres, and that's what we're talking about. Land banking is powerful, and that is why WealthGate has made it one of our vehicles that we can use to build wealth. And another case study that I've studied is the life of the man called Eleganza. You know, about 25 years ago, he bought he bought Okpebi and he bought Alausa. Later he sold Ekpebi and he bought the place, a place around Ikate, in after Lekki, towards Aja, and that place boomed up, and he made so much money. Guess what? Again, he sold Alausa and now he has bought some places around Ekpeye. That is what we are talking about. Imagine him just buying into the future before innovation comes there, and that is why I'm so much rest assured that land banking is a way that everybody needs to go, so that in the nearest future you can sell off and make money from it. You don't even entirely need to live there. So imagine Bill Gates having 270,000 acres. He's not going to live there, but the goal is that he can use it to hold his wealth. He can use it to hold his position, and he can flip when the time comes. And I'm pumped up about this. You don't want to sleep on it. You need to take action right away.
Wow, that's great. That's really great to hear.
Yeah.
Finally, because we have a lot of people watching us out there, how would they join the WealthGate community?
Great, I'm excited because once you partake in any of our estate, you will have access to WealthGate community. Our goal is to help 1 million people in the next 10 years to be a millionaire, like a millionaire. And we've started already. Currently we have about 50 something people in the community in less than a year, and that is the pace at which we are going. Our goal is that in the next 5 years we can reach out to minimum 10,000 people, while we're on our way to 1 million people. But you can join also. We have Radiant Court currently. We also have our Sparkle Estate that will be launched in the next few weeks, and that is how we are growing it. So imagine belonging to a community where people are buying land in those areas for 5 million, 7 million, and you are getting it at a discounted rate, and not even at discounted price alone. You can also spread it with a lesser interest. Some companies, if you want to spread for 18 months, they could charge you, they could put on it 50%, 30%, 40% before you can finish paying. But ours is different. If you want more details, you want to make sure you call the number scrolling on the screen right now, so that you can get started and get the information. Now, one of the beauty about real estate in WealthGate is that you want to be involved when we are launching. You see, when we launch an estate, if the projected price is as much as maybe 5 million, you can even get it for as low as 2.5 million outright sales. And that is why I'm pumped up about the Sparkle Estate that we're launching shortly. But right now we have the Radiant Court, and here in Radiant Court I strongly believe that in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, you can 10x your money, 20x your money, and you're good to go. So don't miss out. The number calling on the screen right now, make sure you call and get started. There are so many other things in WealthGate community. We also invest in cryptocurrency and stocks for long-term investment. We just put in as low as $10, $5, $20, $50. Some even invest as much as $200 every single month, building a portfolio that they are going to sell off in the next 3 years, in the next 5 years. If you are ready to build wealth long term, not quick fix, long term, not get rich quick, long term, relaxed in return on investment, then you want to join the WealthGate community. Call the number on the screen. You can get started with our other portfolios, our other assets like the crypto or like the stocks. But if you're ready for the real estate, get started now and let's make it happen together. Thank you so much.
Wow, that is great. That is so great. That is massive. As you have heard from the man himself, Mayowa Owolabi, you can start building your worth now. Thank you very much, sir, for coming.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for inspiring a lot of people.
Thank you so
Good
much.
to have you once again, sir.
Thank you so much. Peace out, guys.